I won't always be here to hold you. So I write these words as arms around your shoulders. Welcome to this ever-changing world, where the safe and familiar will tomorrow give way to the unknown.
This is the recession that Australia had to have.
Your world can change in a moment. And when it does, I want you to be like water, to take on any form. Be brave, be strong, never stop trying. Education is at your fingertips. Knowledge is power. I ask that you open your mind to endless possibilities. Never stop learning. I know you will make me proud. The future belongs to you. Love, Mum.